Hello and welcome to Easy License. My name's Rohan, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to temporarily block out your calendar. Some potential reasons for doing this might be you're going on holiday or extended leave, you might be on sick leave, or you work a rotating roster so your schedule is constantly changing. To log into your instructor account, please visit our Easy License website and use the instructor login button in the top right hand side of the page. Once we have successfully logged into our instructor account, we will then need to navigate to our calendar. We can do this by visiting the drop down menu in the top right hand side of the screen and selecting calendar. Once we have arrived at our calendar, we will then need to click the create event button in the top right hand side of the page. From here, we can then choose the blue Create Personal Event button. So I'm going to show you how to enter in a holiday to your calendar. So for event name, I'm going to put holiday. I want the start date to be the 28th of November and 7 o'clock is fine. And I want the end date to be the 2nd of December and I want it to finish at 9 o'clock at night. I will then choose personal event, not a driving lesson. I'll leave this ticked as no, as I don't want to change the travel time, and then I will select create event. Once create event has been selected, we will then see that event entered into our calendar. So here we can see the holiday starting at 7 AM on Tuesday the 28th. And we can see the holiday finishes on Saturday the 2nd of December at 9 PM. Once this personal event is entered into your calendar, it will mean that no Easy License learners can book in with you during this time. If at any time we want to edit or change the event, we just need to click on one of these blue blocks. This will bring up the details of the event, and from here we can make the changes. If we make a change, we need to remember to scroll down to the bottom and click the yellow Save Changes button. If we want to delete the event, we simply have to click the Delete Event beside it. Easy License recommends that if you are going away for an extended period of time, to please reach out and let us know. You can do this by visiting the support section that you'll find in the drop down menu in the top right hand side of your screen, and you can click support. From here, you can submit a request to talk to our customer service team and let us know that you're going away, or you can use the search bar to search up articles to find out more about how to use your calendar and how to add personal events. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you at the next one.